Hi, Banyan Tree Women's Collective Community. It's nice to see you. My name is Brooke Wilson. I'm a natural chef and holistic nutrition consultant, and I am having a Valentine's Day cook-along on Saturday, February 11th from 4 to 6 p.m. Pacific. Feel free to join us and cook along, or feel free to just join us and watch and observe and learn. The menu is going to be chicken roulades with caramelized onion, goat cheese, and prosciutto with a lemon white wine sauce. We're also going to make a quinoa citrus pistachio pilaf. And we are also going to be making roasted carrots with fresh parsley. And if there's time, we are going to make date truffles with orange. Please sign up at banyanwomen.org, and I'll see you soon.